Hi, I'm Adrienne from the Westmont Public Library. Welcome to Discovery Playtime at Home. Today I'd like to show you how I make sensory bottles. Now, a sensory bottle can be very simple. This one is just some colorful feathers inside a clear bottle. Another simple one, got some jingle bells. This is a very noisy one. But my favorite kind has water and beads or glitter inside. And you can find multiple ways of making these online, but I'm going to show you my favorite way. I think I'll make another one something like this that has glitter and snowflakes. What you'll need are a clear plastic bottle. I like to use the Voss plastic water bottles, but it certainly doesn't have to be. You can use any clear plastic bottle that you want, that's something that's fairly sturdy. You'll need some clear school glue. The reason for the glue is to slow down the movement of the objects in your water bottle. And then you'll need, some glitter or beads or sequins, something to put inside. You'll need some either room temperature or lukewarm water, and either a glue gun or some other kind of non-water soluble glue so you can glue the lid securely on. So start with a water bottle, fill it about halfway with some water. And then add some of the glue. Now, there's not an exact amount. If you add more, then your glitter or other objects will move more slowly. I'm going to add a capful. It's about, I would say it's about a tablespoon. Pour that in there. Close up your water bottle and shake it well to mix the water and the glue. Okay, you might have to wait another minute or two then for the bubbles to go down before you add your glitter or beads. Well, the bubbles are almost gone now, so now I'm going to add some glitter. Again, there's no exact amount, it just depends on how you want your sensory bottle to look. I poured in, I'd say that's about a teaspoon or two of glitter. Now, if you want to, you can add a drop of food coloring. I don't like to add very much food coloring because if you add too much, then you can't even see the movement of the objects very well. But besides glitter, I think I'll add some snowflakes. These are some little snowflake sequins that I got at a craft store. I'm going to drop some in there. Let's see, maybe a few more. Okay. So once you put in whatever you want, either the beads or the sequins or the glitter, carefully fill the bottle the rest of the way to the very top. Ooh, look how pretty that's going to be. There's, I'd say, about a half an inch between the top of the bottle and the water. So then I'm going to screw this on nice and tight and shake it up and see how it looks. I like how that looks. If I wanted to, I could unscrew it. I could even pour some of the water out if I didn't like the way it looked. I could add more glue. I could add more sequins. But I really like this one. So what I'll do is, let's make sure that the threads of the bottle are dry. Then I'm going to add the hot glue. Just going to add a generous amount of hot glue on the threads of the bottle and then quickly put the top on and screw it on nice and tight. I've been doing a lot of these for a while now, and doing it this way, I've never had a top unscrew. The only thing that happens with these is if it's dropped. Sometimes the top will crack, but I've never had a bottle crack fully open. There you have it. Beautiful and calming to watch for all ages. I'll include the instructions on how to make these and everything you need for it in the description below this video. I hope you'll give it a try at home. Remember, young children learn best through play. Goodbye for now.